morning class, Sairam. Today I will explain you about project work which you have to do in your summer vacations. So as you can see on the screen that at the first page of your project file you will write name of the student, means you have to write your name at this place. Then after that you will mention your class, that is 9th A, B or C. After that roll number and same like that. Name of the unit. Okay, for example, for the first project you will write number system because I have given you first project from this chapter. Then after for the second project you will write it polynomial. Okay, then here we have project detail. So I have just mentioned all important point and you have to write in detail about these points. So first try to understand what are these points. First point is objective, purpose, title of the project. Here with the second page you will write your title of the project. Okay, or you can write purpose of the project, purpose or objective of the project. All three things are correct. You can mention anything, or more suitable will be title of the project. Then you will mention material required like pen, pencil, etc. Okay, whatever material is used in that particular project you will mention all those things here. Like, then third is resources. You have to mention resource. Okay, and formula applied. Resource means what? Like you can mention which formula you have used. Like for any particular project, if you have mentioned a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, or like that. If you have used any mathematical identity, that thing will come in this category, that is resource or tools what you have applied. If you are taking help of any website, okay, if any activity is given in a particular website and from there you have noted down, then you have to mention its reference also. After that you will write procedure. Okay, in procedure you have to tell your work actually in detail form. You have to write steps involved in doing work in detail. Okay, fifth point is acknowledgement, and this will be the second last page, and at the last you will write reference name, means you will mention name of any extra guide or guidebook or any website. If you have taken help, you will mention a small note for that website also at the last of the page. So first project for your summer vacation is identifying and verifying rational and irrational number in daily life. Okay, and second project topic is to verify the algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So as I told you, you can take help of your lab manual, maths lab manual, and if you don't have, you can take help from internet also. But all the things you have to mention at the last page, that is called reference name, means from where you have taken that particular portion of your project. Okay, remember only 10 to 20% portion you can write as it is, otherwise 90% things you have to write by yourself, means you will not copy as it is from internet. You will just mention important point. Okay, otherwise whole project you will write in your own language. So this was detail for your project, and do your work according to this format. Okay, thank you.